Yeah, guys, so today I got yesterday I got some new fidgets because I'm just starting fidgeting. Oh, my dimple, my new poppet. And yes, I have another poppet just like this one, but it's a unicorn. It's a unicorn, and this one is a rainbow star. So let's take it to the test. There, so this, I was on the loud side. Now let's do the bad side. Oh. I believe it would do that time to time. Yeah. I'll rate it a 10 out of 10. Okay, ready? Let's do it again. Okay, time for the dimple. Okay. Ooh. So I will rate it a 10 out of 10. These are both very good fidgets, and yeah.